If you want to do Ghibli effect trend for free without Chatgpt, let's see how you can do this. So to do this, I'll show you two methods. Later, you can decide with which you want to go further, so watch the video till the end. The first method is that you need XApp. So first open X and then go to grok, then add your photo from gallery and write the prompt. Apply the Studio Ghibli effect in the photo. Now wait for it to generate the photo. So here is the result. Talking about this photo generation, what I found here is that photo is not so accurate in relation to the original photo, and here, on the app, we cannot save the photo in the gallery too. So now, let's talk about the second method. So in the second method, what you have to do is download the Grok AI from App or Play Store. This is the same AI which we have used in XApp, but what I found on the app is that we can save the photo in gallery. And the results are also pretty much accurate in relation to the original photo. So after downloading, open the Grok AI app. Here after opening, I'll suggest you to sign up with your email. Otherwise, without sign up, you can only make one photo. And after sign up, you can make up to 3 photos. And if you want to make more, you can change the email and make 3 more. So let's now talk about the process. Here you have to do the same process which you did in XApp. So first add photo and type the prompt. Apply the Studio Ghibli effect in the photo and wait for the result. So here is the result, and here you can easily save the photo to gallery. So what do you think about the results? And if you know other free methods, tell us in the comment section.